Hello there, thanks for stopping by again. And welcome to my unboxing of my FabFitFun mystery bundle that came with my Spring 22 box. I bought it as an add-on and the number is 2201-MYS-002. And I have to say, this is one of my favorite mystery bundles that I've gotten because I will use pretty much everything in it, and that is not always the case. So the first item here is bread hair mask. Now I've never tried this before, but I am a fan of deep conditioners, and this one seems like it will be extra moisturizing. And I live in a really cold, dry climate, so in winter I definitely need to add a hair mask onto my usual hair routine, so I think this will be great. And the next item here, they're decorative file folders. Now I'm right in the middle of redecorating my office area, so this is good. It's something useful that I can use. And they have like motivational sayings on them, like this one says best day ever. I've totally got this. So that'll be something cute to add on. This next item I just love. It is a Phantom Chef 8-inch fry pan. Now I've never gotten a fry pan in a mystery bundle before, but I needed a new one this size anyway, so it was perfect timing. These are perfect if you just want to make a couple of eggs or a sandwich quick. The color is really nice. It's just a pretty light pink. And the handle is a little bit rubbery, so you can get a really good grip on it. And you can't really tell, I guess, on the camera here, but it's got kind of like an iridescent sparkle to it as well, which is really pretty. So I was super excited to see that. And then finally, there was this fabric item, and I couldn't really tell what it was at first. But when I opened it up and took it out, I realized that it is an apron. Now, I am always cooking. I love experimenting in the kitchen. You'll see that on my channel. I have some recipes and lunches I've packed and stuff like that. So another new apron is always a welcome addition. And this one's really cute, and it's really sturdy, and it's from To The Market. It's got a nice pocket there. That's a great place to stick my phone while I'm cooking. So overall, I was really pleased with this. The apron is awesome, and it's like super sturdy and strong and practical. Same with the frying pan, and the hair mask, just super useful. The only thing that I wouldn't use as much like on a day-to-day is the file folders, but they're still handy. I do need some new ones, and they will go just fine in my new office setup. So that's everything, and I'll just lay it back out one more time. If I can figure out how to do it here. And there we go. Thank you so much for stopping by again. I really appreciate you subscribing to my channel, and ring the bell for notifications so you don't miss any videos. Have a great night and take care.